Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a valid email and a strong password. Make sure you remember both. On your PS5, sign into your PlayStation Network account, then launch Minecraft. When the game prompts you to link accounts, choose the option to create or sign in to a Microsoft account. You'll be taken to an on-screen code and a short URL. Write down the code or keep the screen visible. This first step moves the process from console setup into the Microsoft account flow. Follow the prompts. Once done with the PS5 prompt, open a browser on your phone or PC and go to the short URL shown in Minecraft. Enter the unique code from your console to link the session. This connects your PS5 to the Microsoft sign-up flow. Create the account by entering your email, a secure password, and your date of birth. Then complete the email verification step Microsoft sends. Make sure your password meets requirements and that you save recovery info to avoid losing access later. After verifying your email, go back to Minecraft on the PS5 and allow the console a moment to detect the new Microsoft account. You should see confirmation and Xbox Live features enabled. Make sure to enable two-step verification or set parental controls right away if required. If the link doesn't complete, power cycle your console, ensure both devices are on the same network, and re-enter the on-screen code exactly. If problems persist, check that the email is verified and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.